Do you feel Java is difficult? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain important Java questions in a simple way. Let us start with question 1. Attempt any 5. First, A. Features of Java. Java is platform independent, object oriented, secure, and robust. Platform independent means it can run on any system using JVM. Next, B. Static import. Static import allows us to access static members without class name. Syntax is import static package, class, member. C. Exceptions. Exception is an error that occurs during execution. Types are checked and unchecked exceptions. D. Typecasting. Typecasting means converting one data type to another. Types are implicit and explicit. A. AWT vs Swing. AWT uses native components, while Swing is lightweight and more flexible. F. Proxy server is an intermediary server between user and internet. Reserved socket is used for specific system services. G. Statement methods include execute, execute query, execute update. This question is very important for theory. Now question 2. A. Program for age validation using exception. We take age input from user. If age is less than 18, we throw an exception using throw keyword. Otherwise, we print valid age. B. Garbage collection. It automatically removes unused objects from memory. This improves performance and memory management. C. Login form using label, text field and button. We create GUI using these components. When button is clicked, we check username and password. If correct, show success message. D. TCP vs UDP. TCP is reliable and connection oriented. UDP is faster but not reliable. This question tests both programming and theory. Now question 3. A. Constructor. Constructor is special method used to initialize object. Types are default and parameterized constructor. B. Threads program. We create two threads. Thread A prints even numbers, thread B prints odd numbers. Threads run alternately. C. Final keyword. Final variable cannot be changed. Final method cannot be overridden. Abstract method has no body. D. JCombo box program. We create drop-down with states. Selected item is displayed in text field. This question is very important for Java core concepts. Now question 4. A. Program using JText field, JLabel, JButton. We take two numbers and display some using grid layout. B. Package. Package is a group of classes. We create using package keyword and access using import. C. URL program. We read data from URL using Java classes like URL and BufferedReader. D. JDBC drivers. Types include type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 drivers. A. Key listener. It detects keyboard input events. This question is very important for GUI and database. Now question 5. A. Prepared statement program. We connect to database and fetch employee records. Prepared statement is secure and faster. B. Vector operations. We create vector and add elements. Insert string at position. Remove elements and display capacity. C. Thread life cycle. States are new, runnable, running, waiting, terminated. This question is important for database and collections. Now question 6. A. Interface program. Interface contains abstract methods. Class implements interface and defines methods. B. JTree program. It displays folder structure in tree format. C. Client-server program. Client sends number to server. Server checks even or odd and sends response. This question is very important for advanced topics. Winter paper. Now question 1. A. Super keyword is used to access parent class methods and variables. B. Statement vs prepared statement. Prepared statement is precompiled and secure. C. Event and listener. Event is action like click, listener handles it. D. INET address methods. Example, getHost name, getHost address. A. Vector vs array. Vector is dynamic, array is fixed size. F. Synchronization. It controls access of multiple threads. G. Java features include platform independent, secure, robust. This is very important theory question. Now question 2. A. Typecasting converts data types. Implicit is automatic, explicit is manual. B. Thread lifecycle includes different states. C. URL program. We extract protocol, host, port, file. D. AWT vs Swing. Swing provides better GUI. This question is important for both theory and coding. Now question 3. A. Garbage collection removes unused objects. B. Thread creation using thread class. We extend thread and override run method. C. Package creation and access using package and import. D. Grid layout arranges components in grid. This question is very important. Now question 4. A. Final keyword prevents modification. B. JTable program displays employee data. Q4. C. URL connection retrieves content from website. D. Applet program changes background color. A. JDBC architecture connects Java with database. This question is important for GUI and database. Now question 5. A. Prepared statement fetches student records. B. String operations include substring, uppercase, reverse. C. Custom exception program checks string match. This question is important for logic. Now question 6. A. Interface defines methods implemented by class. B. Text field program multiplies numbers. C. UDP program handles login authentication. This question is very important for advanced concepts. Now you have learned important Java questions. If you understand these topics, you can do well in exam. Practice is very important, so try these questions yourself. If this video helped you, like and share it. And subscribe for more easy learning videos. All the best for your exam.